Of all the cooking oils out there, olive is one of the most versatile. It's used in European and Mediterranean cooking and is common in home and restaurant kitchens around Europe. Its versatility means it can be an ingredient in many dishes, like dressings for salads. We have included links in this description box below, which are updated for the best prices. One of Bragg's signature products, raw apple cider vinegar, is a big hit these days. But they offer a wide range of quality products, from olive oil to dressings. Bragg makes high-quality olive oil by cold-pressing organic Koroniki olives cultivated from Greek orchards. People who use this oil say the flavor is very smooth and versatile. It can be used in a range of cooking applications, such as light sautéing and finishing off with drizzles. Getting the most amount of oil isn't always feasible when cooking, but their gallon jug is one of their best deals. It is certified organic, non-GMO, and USDA-certified kosher oil. There are also less expensive oils on the market which are great for certain purposes. Although many of the oils on this list are cold-pressed, Ellora earned the spot of best cold-pressed olive oil for several reasons. Ellora Farms olive oils are all made from a single region in Greece, which is known for quality olives. Unlike other oil brands, their oils do not contain a variety of different types from various locations. But it's not only sourced from Greece. It's also produced on the spot using low temperatures and cold pressing to preserve both flavor and quality. The Ellora Farms olive oil smells and tastes amazing with a fruity aroma and a bold, peppery taste. They won a gold medal at the 2019 Mediterranean International Olive Oil Competition. Although you can cook with it, low-temperature cooking is best. It is well balanced in flavor and customers loved it for this. Tourangelle has been producing high-quality extra virgin olive oil for over 5 decades. It's the perfect match to a range of dishes, but it really does shine when paired with fresh homemade bread. Tourangelle harvests olives from Andalusia, Spain during the early season and cold presses them on the same day. The process of cold-pressed olive oil is what creates its unique flavor. With hints of almond, olive leaves, and freshly cut grass, many customers love that it's not too heavy or overpowering. The only qualm they may have is the container could use a redesign so that the oil doesn't spill out due to shaking or tipping over. The Tourangelle olive oil is not just organic and non-GMO verified, it also comes packaged in a BPA-free tin container. Napa Valley may be famous for its wine, but Napa Valley's Naturals, a brand of Stonewall Kitchen, has put Northern California's Napa Valley on the map for producing olive oil too. The company started as a roadside produce stand, but now produces much more due to expanding their operation. The company's organic extra virgin olive oil is made from a blend of regional olives that come from the Mediterranean and are cold-pressed to create a smooth, buttery flavor with light, fruity notes. Customers love this olive oil. However, there may be buyers skeptical of the products because they're not sure if the products are true extra virgin due to their. One person said they loved this product as a salad dressing, while another noted it is great for cooking. All 5 of its olive oil sizes, which range from 12.7 ounces to 128 ounces, are packaged in wine bottles that come with a gift box of ingredients. Just makes them feel that little bit extra fancy. If you're looking for the best olive oil for cooking, the Olive & Co. Everyday Extra Virgin Olive Oil checks all the boxes. Its flavor profile, which is best described as mild and fruity, is designed to complement any type of cooked dish. Customers praise that its mild flavor doesn't have a bitter aftertaste, saying it works equally well for drizzling and cooking. The olive oil comes from Chile and exceeds the purity standards set by the International Olive Oil Council. In addition to their regular everyday olive oil, Olive & Co. also offers a certified organic option. And if you prefer a more intense, peppery olive oil over a fruity one, Olive & Co. has your back with its robust extra virgin olive oil.